How to thread the needle on a PFAFF 332. I'm going to count to 10. 1, put the thread on. 2, go through this eyelet. 3, wrap around that eyelet. And we go back over here. Four, we go from the bottom, top of this eyelet. We go down through this eyelet. Here's 5 through the tension disc. Bring it up till it goes in that notch. 6, be sure it's under the spring. 7, through the take up. 8, through this eyelet. 9, through this eyelet. It's got a slot on the left side. 10, through this eyelet. Slot on the left side. And 11, through the navel. Under the presser foot. The bobbin thread's already there. And we sew. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll make more videos on this machine.